This is a simple EQing technique for drums, acoustic drums, that you can use only with one plugin. Pultec PE-1C simulated by Softube is a passive equalizer newer than Pultec version. It's like a rebuild from another company from a legendary passive equalizer. So we have boost and attenuate, different frequencies to choose, and a control for bandwidth. This only controls high frequency and does not affect on low frequency. So let's check. It is a little boomy, but you get the idea. Much focused and concentrated on drums quality. Another important fact to consider is this plugin is not just an equalizer, and it adds color, it smooths out lower frequencies, adds some tube characters that we always like in our mixes to hear those tube characteristics. So this is a magical EQ, let's put it that way. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.